Amazon finds that are great for ADHD that I have in my working space. 60-minute visual clock. As you may know, a lot of people with ADHD struggle with time blindness. If you don't know what it is, you can search it up. This clock really helps me stay on task, and it also gives me the ability to anticipate deadlines and transitions. Pillbox water bottle. Again, ADHDers are out of sight, out of mind people. This is really helpful to help me remember to take my supplements for the week. I also got the supplements from Amazon. I got the fish oil and I got L-theanine, which improve focus and attention and has a calming effect on the mind.
Ever wish your husband could read your mind? I have the next best thing. I found these chore charts on Amazon and I'm going to give them a little makeover. I named mine the Mom Engine Light because my hubby's a car guy. I then listed all of my daily needs and I put it on the fridge and I check off things as I get them done. When my husband comes home, he can see what I haven't gotten done and what he can help me with so I can fill up my cup.
What? You literally look like you just came back from a mental hospital.
I look better under you, I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do.
I'm setting up this lamp for my little brother because he won't stop touching my freaking speaker, but now that I look at it, honestly, maybe I should keep this for myself.
Me? Obsessed with you? Yes. Yes, I am.
I don't know who needs to hear this, but if you have an apple corer, one of these, they also work really well on potato. Me and my siblings always used to fight over this bit when we were kids. Obviously, I'm going to cook it first. That way, they're all fairly similar sized as well. Even cooking time. We are working smarter, not harder, in 2023.
I just bought this beautiful sand art. It's so pretty. How does this even work?
Random Amazon find. This mini wireless and inkless printer allows you to print photos and create custom stickers instantly from your phone. This gadget makes it super easy to customize your journaling, scrapbooking, and you can put the stickers on anything. The printer lets you connect multiple devices so friends and family can print stickers too.
This is la vie en roses. When you kiss me, heaven sighs, and though I close my eyes, I see la vie en roses.
Amazon Kitchen Gadgets. This is a stuffed waffle maker, which means that you can make super fat waffles with anything inside of them.
No way.
Our favorite recipe is stuffing it with cheesecake filling from Walmart, and then you just rotate it, let it cook, and then take that thing out.
Whoa.
It's so fat, so delicious, and you can make it however you want.
There's so many possibilities.
Amazon Kids products that make life easier. This is the best parent hack for transitioning your toddler into a big kid bed. They're memory foam bumpers that fit right underneath their sheets so they never roll out of bed. They even have grips on them so they don't shift or move. Traveling with young kids can completely mess up their sleep schedule. This blackout tent provides a dark environment for your kid to sleep and fits over any small crib or pack and play. It takes less than 5 minutes to set up and fits into this small carrying bag for convenient packing. Grapes are a terrible choking hazard for kids. This kitchen gadget saves you time by cutting up to 10 grapes at once. The blade has a guard so you never cut your hand, and it can even be used for cherry tomatoes or olives.
Here's a few of our favorite Amazon kitchen products. These make burgers easy to hold and eliminates mess, especially for kids, the elderly, and people with disabilities. This device chops apples into 16 perfect slices and removes the core cleanly without any mess. This little gadget quickly slices grapes, olives, cherry tomatoes, and smaller fruits and vegetables into 4 evenly cut pieces, which reduce knife accidents and the risk of choking. And this chubby little fella is a better looking alternative for deodorizing your fridge than an ugly soggy box. All of the links are in the kitchen favorite section of our Amazon storefront.
January Amazon favorites.
If he say he don't want me back, he be lying. Bitch, I'm the sauce. Barbie dipping, I'm the boss. Barbie sipping. They keep telling me, so baby, do it right, do me right. We can go all the time. We can move fast, then rewind. When you put.
Okay, so TikTok convinced me to buy this steam mop. Mostly because of the attachment, so I just wanted to test it out. I'm in the process of like deep cleaning my entire apartment for the new year, and I have to say I'm pretty impressed. It did a pretty good job after passing the steam mop attachment thing. I just wiped it down with like a microfiber like little towel, and amazing. Like, just look at the results.